Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Zimbabwean beef stew. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 kilogram of beef, 2 large onions, 3 medium tomatoes, 2 carrots, 2 potatoes, and a half cup of cooking oil. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 cup of water or beef broth. Make sure your beef is cut into uniform 2-inch cubes. This helps it cook evenly and absorb all those wonderful flavors. Let's get started. Now, let's build some foundational flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat until it's shimmering. Carefully brown your beef cubes in batches, searing them for about 5 to 7 minutes per batch until they have a beautiful, rich color on all sides. Remove the beef and set it aside. Then, add your chopped onions to the same pot and sauté them gently until they become translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step is crucial for a deep, savory taste. With your beef browned and onions softened, it's time to bring everything together for the long simmer. Return the seared beef to the pot. Now, add your chopped tomatoes, carrots, and potatoes, along with the salt, pepper, and 1 cup of water or beef broth. Bring this flavorful mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot tightly and let it simmer patiently for at least 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the beef is wonderfully tender and falling apart. This slow cooking develops incredible depth. Finally, let's perfect your Zimbabwean beef stew before serving. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning, adding more salt or pepper if needed. If you prefer a thicker stew, simply mash a few potato pieces against the side of the pot. They'll naturally thicken the sauce. Serve your rich, aromatic beef stew piping hot. It pairs beautifully with traditional sadza, fluffy rice, or creamy mashed potatoes. Enjoy this comforting and hearty meal, a true taste of Zimbabwe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.